Thank you very much for joining this particular lesson. We will actually continue with the page layout tab. So from the previous lesson, I explained the tools under the page setup group. So the focus will be on the paragraph group where we look at indent and spacing. And I covered this when we were treating the home tab. So it will just be a refresher course over here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to the last page. So to make the navigation easier, once I have my navigation pane, I click on pages, then I quickly scroll down. I go to page number 10. So what I'll do is I'll come up with some list of sentences and paragraphs. So what I need is 2 paragraphs for this demonstration and about 5 sentences each within each paragraph. So these paragraphs have been separated by a line in between the two. So let's see how best we can use the tools to our advantage. So the first thing we do is to highlight. So you drag over it, then we can do an indent. So if I do an indent, it basically shifts it from the left whilst the right remains unchanged. So if I want to indent the right aspect or the right side of it, I click. So as you do that, you see a live preview. So that is indenting left and right. But when you come to the home tab, you can only indent on one side, which is the left, and reduce it. So if you want to do both, then you need to really come to the layout tab and explore these options. Then we have spacing before and after. So how many spaces do I need after this particular paragraph? So if I try increasing it, you see a preview of it. If I reduce it, you see another preview. So this is how you increase the spacing and reduce the spacing. So if you don't want any spacing, you just do a 0 over there. So basically that is how you use the paragraph group under the layout tab. So once you see a dialog box launcher, it is an indication of other additional options, but this I know will take you to what we saw when we were treating the home tab. So indent and spacing, I explored these various options. So you just have to take your time, go through it and practice with it. Click to see what's going to happen. That is how you learn. So let's make you Microsoft Office specialist in Microsoft Word. Okay, so the next thing we do is to look at the arrange group. So most of these options have been grayed out. So what it means is currently we don't have a need for it. So it will become active when we start inserting pictures or something of that nature. But I'll cover that extensively when we get to the insert tab. So I'll just do a little demonstration for you to know what I'm driving at. So I'll go to insert, then I will insert a picture. Okay, this will come up in some few minutes. I'll go to my desktop. Okay, I will insert this first. So once it's inserted, I can come to reduce the size of it. Okay, you crop to reduce. Then I can also come and insert another picture just to demonstrate how the page layout uses that particular tool. So we'll okay, change it to, I'm looking for another picture, so please bear with me. Okay, so I'll quickly go through it and select this other picture. So this is also on a different page, so I'll do crop it. Okay, now they are both on the same page, so I'll go back to my layout tab. So the tools I'll talk about under this layout tab, once you insert a picture, you look at the contextual tab, we see the position, wrap text, bring forward, and all of that there. So basically, when we study certain stuff, I will cover these tools as well. So thank you very much. The objective is to give you the skill set that's going to make you effective in whatever you do, whether you are a student or you are a worker. So I will encourage you to explore. Just click explore, because Microsoft Office Word is not just about typing. No, it goes way, way beyond that for creating professional looking document. And it's about time you explored these powerful features. And I will also organize other tutorials where you create self-marking tests. But I just want to finish going through all the tabs for you to understand the tools and the need for you to use it. So thank you very much and do have a wonderful day.